Good morning all, and welcome to today's Hamster Combat Daily Cipher Code. So not to waste our time, I'll click on this End tab and claim my daily rewards. Okay, then after that I'll head back to the Exchange tab and I'll click on this Daily Cipher option, and the code is train, the single long for T, and short long short for R, short long short for R, short long for A, short short for I, and lastly long short for N, and that forms our daily cipher code. So I'll click on take the prize. Okay, so in about 5 hours time we'll have a new daily combo, about 6 hours. All right, thank you and have a wonderful time.